Greetings from Nigeria, a city called Miango, close to Jos in the middle northern part of Nigeria. There is a member care center here that started by Canadian missionaries who came here and realized we need to take care of our workers who are working in very difficult circumstances, malaria and other sicknesses. Missionaries are dying, and we need a higher elevation rest place for them to R&R, rest and relaxation. And we are actually staying overnight here. We're at a conference and staying overnight at the Grace Cottage, which is it's actually a member care center. It's specially made for workers here in northern Nigeria to take a rest, to do R&R, Grace Cottage, and designated place for missionary care. And I'm just reading here from the SIL documentation that is hanging on the wall here. Miango Rest Home it is called, and it says death from malaria was a big problem and the harsh climate was hard on his missionaries. Sending missionaries to their home countries regularly for rest and recuperation was very expensive. So one of the first missionaries, called Bingham, was thinking about how to be a good steward of God's money while reaching the people of the Sudan. Nigeria was called the Sudan region before. What if Bingham reasoned a suitable place could be located there in Nigeria where missionaries could rest, be refreshed, build up physically and spiritually? It was a radical idea. Did such a place even exist? Was there an oasis of mild climate, healthy foods, someplace in the Sudan? Bingham was determined to find out. By 1911, Bingham had published his vision for all to see. So this paper Bingham wrote is called Furloughs and the Maintenance of a Fighting Force, 1911. So in 1912, they purchased this piece of land that I'm showing you here for furloughs and the maintenance of a fighting force. In a way, a member care center. In the beginning, they called this Sanitariun, later a Miango rest home for missionaries who work in this region. An amazing idea that started in 1911 and 1912. They purchased this piece of land we are standing on right now, and it is still existing. A member care center that has been in existence for 112 years. Just imagine that, amazing. And we have the privilege to stay here overnight. I put a few links into the show notes. Have a look and read through the documentation. Really incredible for inspirations for many other places around the world. See you again next time. Bye for now.